Hello everyone! Today we are exploring the most popular budget store in Pattaya, Mr. DIY. Whether you live here or you are just visiting, this place is a total lifesaver. Let's check out the prices and see what is actually worth buying. Let's go! You might wonder, well, why are the prices here so low? Is it just bad quality? No, not really. Mr. DIY follows a no-frills model. They buy in huge quantities, directly from manufacturers. They don't spend money on fancy displays or expensive marketing. You get the product exactly as it is. It is the perfect place for those who want to pay for the item, not for the brand name. Check this out. This plastic container is only 53 baht. It feels really solid, and the lid locks perfectly. For less than $2, you get a great quality box for your leftovers or fruit. It's a simple deal, but honestly, it is much better than the ones you find in the convenience stores nearby. If you need a few of these, it's a total bargain. Moving on to the stationery department. If you work from home or you just love notebooks, you might stay here for a while. They have everything from basic office pens to really cute journals. Most notebooks cost between 30 to 50 baht. And look at these markers. The colors are so bright. Whether you are a student or a digital nomad in Pattaya, you can restock your desk here without spending a fortune. Now, let's look at the toy section. It is massive. If you are traveling with kids, this place is a goldmine. You can find beach toys, action figures, and even board games. For a fraction of the price, you'd see at the airport. Most of these toys are perfect for a beach day in Pattaya. They might not be premium brands, but for these prices, you won't care if they get lost in the sand. It's all about having fun on a budget. Next up, backpacks and bags. I was actually surprised by the variety here. You can find simple gym bags, everyday backpacks, and even reusable shopping totes. A basic backpack here costs around 150 to 300 baht. It is a great option if you need an extra bag for your trips around Thailand. The quality, it's pretty decent for the price. Just check the zippers before you leave, and you are good to go. Let's talk about footwear. You can find basic sandals here for only 59 baht. That is less than $2 if you want something a bit more solid. These ones are 89 baht. The variety is crazy. Many colors and sizes to choose from. Also, don't miss the socks section. You can get a pack for a very low price. Whether you need flip-flops for the beach or socks for the gym, it is much cheaper here than in the tourist markets on Beach Road. Moving on to the towel section. They have a huge selection here. You can find soft cotton towels and also quick dry microfiber ones. There are many sizes, from small hand towels to large bath towels. that are perfect for the beach. The prices, very affordable, as always. A good quality towel here won't break the bank. Whether you are setting up your new home or you just need a fresh towel for your next island trip, check this section out. Now, let's look at the kitchen tools. This area is packed with everything you need. They have a mix of colorful plastic and high-quality stainless steel. Look at these whisks and spatulas. The prices are incredible. You can find basic kitchen gadgets for just 20 or 30 baht. Whether you are looking for a new grater or a simple strainer, you don't need to go to an expensive department store. It is all right here at a fraction of the cost. Let's focus on the essentials. Here, you can find a massive variety of spoons, forks, and knives. You can buy them in sets or individually, which is very convenient. Next to them, we have the kitchen tools area. Check out these ladles and spatulas. They have both heat-resistant plastic and metal options. And if you need to organize your kitchen, look at these large storage containers. They are perfect for rice, pasta, or flour, simple, functional, and very cheap. Now, let's look at the glassware. If you need new drinking glasses or even wine glasses, for your balcony evenings, they have plenty of options here. The glass is clear and feels solid, but wait, check out this section. They have a great variety of vacuum flasks and thermal mugs. These are perfect for keeping your coffee hot or your water cold. During the hot Thailand days, some of them look really stylish, and the prices are unbeatable. Next, we have the air fresheners department. In Thailand, it's a must-have. They have a huge range for your car. And for your home, look at these reed diffusers. They smell amazing and cost very little. You can find scents like jasmine, lavender, or even lemongrass. And if you have a car or a bike, check out these cute hangers for just 20 or 30 baht. You can keep your ride smelling fresh every day. Let's talk about cleaning supplies. If you want to save money on housework, this is the place. Check this out. A pack of 5 sponges for only 29 baht. That's crazy cheap. And look at this bottle of dishwashing liquid. It is 750 milliliters for just 27 baht. You can't even find these prices in the big supermarkets. It's the same quality, but for half the price. Definitely a must-buy for every condo owner. Moving on to the laundry section. If you live in a condo, you always need more hangers. Look at this pack of 8. For only 54 baht, it is a simple budget option. Next to them, they have these ones. They are a bit more expensive, but the plastic feels much more solid, and it doesn't bend. Also, they have huge packs of clothespins. For a very low price, everything you need to keep your wardrobe organized. Next, the light bulbs, massive selection. LED daylight or warm white for any room. Prices start from only 30 baht, much cheaper than local mini-marts. They even have decorative lights for your condo, high quality, for a tiny price. Next, the tech aisle. Tons of USB cables, adapters, and power strips, whether you need Type-C or a new charger. It's all here. Prices start around 40 or 50 baht. Perfect if you lost yours. Or just need a spare. Simple, cheap, and they do the job. Moving to the computer section, need a new mouse or a keyboard. They have plenty of options here, from basic office gear to colorful gaming sets with RGB lights. A simple wireless mouse costs around 150 baht. It is a lifesaver if your old one breaks and you don't want to spend much. Simple, functional, and ready to plug in. Everything you need for your home office in Pattaya. Now for the drivers and riders, this section has everything for your vehicle. For all the riders in Pattaya, look at this. They actually sell motorcycle helmets here. They are very affordable, usually around 300 to 500 baht, perfect as a spare, or for your passengers, right next to them. You'll find tons of microfiber cloths and cleaning towels for your car. And don't forget the wiper blades. They have all sizes available, everything you need for your ride, at the lowest prices in town. Moving to the hardware section. If you're doing some work, check out these heavy-duty gloves. They are very cheap. But here is a cool find, tiny socks for chair legs. They are perfect to protect your floors from scratches. Also, they have a great selection of door handles and locks, whether you want to fix something or just improve your home. You can find all the small parts here for just a few baht. Now for the tools. This aisle is massive. They have everything from basic screwdrivers to professional wrench sets. Whether you need a single tool for a quick fix or a full kit for your home, you'll find it here. The quality is surprisingly good and the prices are unbeatable. You can grab a solid screwdriver for just 30 or 40 baht. It's the perfect place to build your home toolbox without spending a fortune. If you need to fix your bathroom, check this out. They have a huge range of shower heads, from basic ones to large rain showers. You can also find replacement hoses and all the small connectors. A new shower head starts at just 60 or 70 baht. It's so easy to refresh your shower without calling a plumber. High pressure, modern designs, and very affordable prices. So that was a quick tour of Mr. DIY. As you can see, you can find almost everything here. For your home in Pattaya, what do you think about this format? Should I show you more shops or maybe different departments? Let me know in the comments. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.